All right, guys, so do you want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new code reader with battery tester? I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. So here's the actual code reader itself. It's got the options for the battery. You get your user manual, Type-C charger for it, and carrying case. So let's go ahead and actually test it out and see how it works. All right, and I did want to point out that there's also a Bluetooth mode. So we're gonna go ahead and download the application. All right, so like I said, first you're gonna want to go ahead and download their application. As you can see, once you're on there, it is gonna have you go into your settings, make sure your Bluetooth is on. One thing in particular about this one is you are gonna have to go into your privacy and security and settings for your Bluetooth, and then just make sure that this app is turned on in order for it to access it. As you can see, as I just did that, and then once you do that, it will actually show the connection to the Bluetooth, and then you'll be able to access all of the diagnostic tools right on your phone. So you don't even have to do it on the device, which I will show you how to do it on the device, but I just wanted to show you that this is Bluetooth capable. All right, so as you can see, I got it hooked up to the battery. I mean, it's very, very simple. Red with the red, black with the black. And then we'll go ahead and go to here, go to the battery option. There we go. Battery test, it's for a car. It's a regular, it is a CCA, and it is an 800. It's got it on there. It's gonna go ahead and test it. All right. Check it out. Good battery. Awesome. So now let's get out of here. As you can see, very, very simple to use. Super user friendly. I am not like a super car enthusiast by any means, but let's go ahead and actually try out the codes now. All right, so as you can see, got it hooked up to the car. Let's try this again. Man, that was quick. See, read the codes right away. This one's the one that I am aware of. So as you can see, super simple to use, guys. There's so many options on here. I'm gonna go ahead and exit. And as you can see, we can look into this one. I'm not even sure what this one is. Check it out. Let's see, look up. Review all the data, setup, and just other info on here. So very, very cool, simple to use, guys. So if you guys are looking for a new OBD2 reader with the battery tester, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.